Right guys, so tonight is going to be a really late upload. Apologies for this, but I've had a really busy day. Nice day but busy. Just popped in Morrison's and got my shopping for the evening. I'm going to head off to my location now of where I'm going to be tomorrow, but it's going to be too late to get to what I wanted to show you tonight because it's going to be dark by the time I get there. So basically, daily vlog number 11, we're just going to do some cooking in the van. So I'll catch up with you guys when I get to where I'm going. See you shortly. Right guys, I haven't got quite to where I'm going because I've stopped because I've just come across this beautiful vantage point. I'm going to stay here, I think, make some dinner. I might even stay here for the night because it's actually such a beautiful spot. Let me show you what my view is. Check out that for a view. So that's the Holme Valley. Beautiful reservoir down there, there's another one down there. Stunning place, isn't it? A big telephone mast. Actually, it's not a telephone mast, it's a radio antenna I'm lying to you. With a camper van at the side of us. B-dub at the side there. So yeah, I think I might stay here for the night. It's a pretty good spot. Right now, I'm going to rustle up some dinner because I'm starving. Been out all afternoon. Bloody hungry I am. Right, so what are we on with today? Well, I've got, as you saw before, I just stopped at Morrison's. Bit of a cheat, but I've got a paella. Wasn't going to get one, I was going to ruffle something up. But then I saw a vegetable paella. Vegan friendly. So I thought, why not? So a bit of a paella. And I've also got some fish. Yeah, bit of paella in the pan. What have we got in the vegan paella? What do you get in it? You get cherry tomatoes, roasted piquillo peppers, and hoy blanca olives in a seasoned tomato and paprika sauce. Sounds beautiful, doesn't it? And then, together with that, I've got some lovely smoked mackerel fillets, sweet chilli, ready to eat, but we're going to warm them up. But they won't need much warming. A bit of paella and fish, why not? And a beautiful view to boot. So where are we going tomorrow? That's what you're asking, isn't it? Where are we going? It's alright doing the cooking, Shane. Where are we going? Well, tomorrow we're going to go and look at a plane wreck. That's the plan. Get up early doors, hike out on the moors, and go and have a look at a plane crash. Not a modern plane crash. 1948 I believe it crashed. That is tomorrow's plan. So hopefully the weather will be good. Hopefully remember to charge the drone up tonight. Hopefully I'll be able to open this fish. at that. Yeah, it's a very late vlog today because I've been really busy today. Had the children this morning, and then met with a friend earlier. Went for a few drinkies. So she's just waddled off home, and I've just gone in the van. We went for a nice walk along the canal together. Which is why I went to Marsden the other day actually. I was scoping it out. Just somewhere to meet someone. As you do. So I went for a lovely walk along the canal in Marsden. And I actually discovered if I'd have walked further on from the Stanage Tunnel Centre, there's actually a really nice walk up to a waterfall. And it's got some really ornate old stone bridges. If you do find yourself going to Marsden and you want to go for a walk somewhere, carry on up to the reservoir, and then you'll come to a lovely waterfall with some beautiful stone buildings and bridges. And an electrical substation with a blue plaque on it, which is unusual. Marsden, who'd have thought it? We then went for a coffee in a wine bar and got told we only have 15 minutes because the entire of Marsden has booked the wine bar and we haven't pre-booked it. So there's something else for you. Make sure you pre-book a wine bar. Otherwise you might find yourself getting turfed out after 15 minutes, like we did. Anyway, as you can imagine, I'm bloody starving now, so I'm going to have my paella. My paella in the fish. I think that's pretty much ready. Beautiful. Right. Let's turn that off. Let's cover them little fishes up because we don't want them yet. We need a plate, don't we? Sounds like the old T5 at the side of me is disappearing for the evening. Although I don't think it's a camper van. Judging by the stickers and the signage on it, I think they're more of a mountain bike kind of van. There we go. Bon appetit, fit for a king. Right. I'm going to enjoy my tea and watch my view. You know what, guys? This is the life. Beautiful view, great food, good beer. What more do you want? Van life is good. Or as they say in France, van life c'est très bien. C'est bon. Right guys, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Daily vlog number 11. Nothing too exciting, just a bit of cooking and beautiful view for the evening, which I'm going to sit and enjoy with my fire catcher and hope I don't catch fire. There's nothing better than chilling out with a beer watching a stunning view, is there? Views that normally you'd have to pay a fortune to live and admire. But van life, you get them for free. If you wild camp. So, tomorrow, we're going to go somewhere a bit more exciting. Well, I hope it is anyway. And I'm going to go and explore a plane crash. So, tune in tomorrow. Don't forget. But for now, again, thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Adios.